Meaning of fast track.
Fast track.
Fast track.
Fast track.
Fast track. Fast track is a term used to describe a process or pathway that allows something to be completed more quickly than normal. It usually involves skipping certain steps or procedures in order to speed up the overall process. The result of being on a fast track is that you can achieve your goal in a shorter amount of time. This could refer to anything from completing a project ahead of schedule, to getting a promotion more quickly than expected, to receiving a faster response from a government agency. Essentially, being on the fast track means getting things done more efficiently.